Welcome back to HDTechLogic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a 3D screen effect into Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So what we're going to firstly do is get our footage on the timeline as normal, and we're going to want to go to our effects panel and search up a basic 3D. Put that onto your footage, and then this dialog should come up. You can now swivel this, tilt it, and adjust the distance like so. Now say you want it to be scrolling down. Let's do something like this. Make sure it's moved up. And then we can add keyframes. So in time it will go down. Like so. Keep applying these keyframes for the rest of the footage. And that's pretty much it. It's very basic, this one is, and there's not much to it. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please do consider subscribing to the HDTechLogic YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.